missing someone. Love with all your
Very nice house. Nice columns on the porch. Too bad it's close to a highway, so it's been vandalized, sadly. People probably screw on that bed all the time. Disgusting. Smells like crap in here. There's actually a decent amount left behind. Christmas decorations, ornaments, Christmas baggies. Lots of baby stuff in here. Definitely was a family home, would appear. Painted window or piece of cardboard? Oh, it's just canvas. I've never seen two fans just like right next to each other like this before. A little unusual. Organizing seasonings. Dill weed. Dang, all the kitchenware is left behind. Giant spider Halloween decorations. Maybe this is a haunted house. Gnarly. Did I go in here? No, I did not. Let's see. Oh, it smells so bad. Oh, that's cool. Back to the Future Lego set. The box right here. All the Legos are scattered about. Lego sets are so nostalgic. They got a Star Wars one. Yeah, Star Wars Lego sets are what I used to be into. That is pretty cool. Oh, so this is kind of recent. I guess Frozen did come out a decent time ago. This is definitely a little girl's room. Well drawn and colored. Sick, man. A crossbow. Oh man, it don't even work. Unsmashed TV in this room. This is a nice fan. Little baby boot. I wonder if these food wrappers are from people who come in here or just the kids who used to live here. This might have been Hailee's room. I don't know why abandoned houses always have to cover the windows up. Like, just having the shades down is enough. Tidy whiteys. Last room upstairs is pretty much empty. Whatever this shit on the ground is, all that's in here. Hailee's room. The only room that has graffiti in the whole house is the bedroom. There's freaking graffiti on the roof. Looks like one person just did that though. It's the same black graffiti. So this may not even be that popular of a spot. It really just takes one person to come in here and do all this damage. Bunch of junk pretty much out here. Christmas tree. Lounge chair. These posts look like they're made out of just like actual trees. Something livestock related, probably. Poultry, maybe. There's actually a lot of buildings on this property. Oh, look at these silos they have. Livestock would definitely be kept in here. Maybe pigs or something low. Maybe let out like that. I think this is like the back of a truck or something. Maybe for transporting livestock. Well, I just walked so far for this building, I don't think it's going to have anything in it. Damn. I saw a critter. Mount critter. Oh, big skink. Look at that. That guy. Big old skink. Oh, look at him. He's fast. Oh, look at him go. Back at the silos. All these kids' cars. Also had a lot of little girls. And boy ain't be driving that. And Barbie. Literally says Barbie. It's Barbie baby four-wheeler, I guess. Last building.